well, Christmas is now over, but now the question comes, when do we take down our Christmas stuff? You know, my father, right, he basically, as soon as you unwrap the gifts and have dinner, okay, room to die. No. Everything has to come down. At midnight on Christmas night, it's bow, bow. Okay, Christmas tree's down. Let's unplug everything. Everything's got to go down. Everything's got to be taken down. You know, I kind of like leaving it up to Three Kings Day personally. You know, it's almost like a tradition. But so I'll have my halls decked another week or so. Meanwhile, it's time to enjoy a soda, and I got this soda called Tango soda. Do the Tango soda, do the Tango soda, and dun, Tango soda. Yes, it's Tango soda, and this actually comes from Dublin, Ireland. It's an orange soda from Dublin, Ireland. So we got to see if this Irish soda is actually good. Is Irish soda good, or will it be trash? So let's see how this Irish soda goes as we go for a top of the morning. And it's a carbonated orange soft drink with sugar and sweeteners. And Tango soda. And it says call our consumer engagement. This is like directly out of almost out of the Europe. This can. So let's see how this goes. Brant, boom, 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 boom. Ooh, ah, 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 ah. It's not as syrupy as American drinks. It tastes more like almost like an orange water in New York, in the United States would taste. I wouldn't say this is something I would enjoy on a regular basis. I'm gonna give this a 5.9. I don't know if I've ever given it a 5.9. Well, it's a 5.9.